rise and shine. I'm not a morning person at all. But sometimes it's a proven fact that the early bird gets the worm. So 7:30 in the morning on Sunday, where I'd rather be sleeping, instead going to look at a car. I'm gonna go get Papa Bear. These old Michelins. It's dusty. 46,000 miles. Grandma's special. I like that.
Pretty good in all those cans.
Yeah, it's pretty clean.
Yeah.
This must be like the gasket or something.
Yeah.
It's weird. Look at how old these
It'll come off, Anthony. A lot
Michelin
of
XC4s. Those things are ready to explode.
it. Well, he said he thinks it's got the original spare in the trunk. It's flat, but those are original tires?
I think so. All right, you want to close that door? 46,000 miles. Dusty, not rusty. Look at how nice the seats are in this car. Park Lane. Even these Michelins are old. XH4s. These days gotta be. The back ones I'd almost say are probably original. I like it. Yeah, it's cold. But I like it a lot. I like the top. What do you think, Papa Bear?
Nice car.
Cool car, huh? Rockin' and rollin'. The radio even works. It's crazy. These things usually don't work.
Beth just said goodbye to her polka dot heels.
Goodbye.
She sold them on Mercury to Shelley.
Now I'm gonna have to take this thing back the back roads because this thing has tires that are, I think, as old, if not, well, it can't be older than me, but definitely as old as my wife. Yeehaw, cowboy! I got my grandma key. Specialty Motor Cars and .net. Out and about, cruising around, picking up the Gam specials. Got all the floor mats, got the old school cup and coin holder. This thing cruises. Should probably take this little guy off the steering wheel, but I think it adds just a touch of class. Papa Bear following behind in my little F-150. You can see the hump on the trunk. Oh yeah. Early bird gets the worm. What else would I want to be doing on a Sunday other than sleeping in? Buying Grand Marquis that have brand new transmissions in them. This thing drives really nice down the road, but I'm just slightly worried about those tires. Tires are like probably original in the back. I remember the tires that are on the back of this car, were the same Michelins that were on the front of my '89 town car, and I parked that car for the winter one years ago when I had it, and one of the tires just blew apart, but like didn't blow apart and lose air, like the tread blew off of it and it just exploded. So I was glad that happened in the garage, but this car drives nice for sitting up for a little bit of time. It's dusty, but She ain't rusty. Man, I probably put about 20 miles on this car. No, 10, 15 miles maybe, probably more accurate. I am so impressed how this car drives for having probably 2 of the original tires on it still, and really, really old Michelins on the front. I mean, the tires are smooth, but like I said before, they're wheel pops, not May pops, they're wheel pops. But cruising back the back roads, just drives so nice. A little bouncy in the front, a little bit of a brake pulsation, probably from rusty rotors, you know. But it's all stuff we'll address. 4 new white walls already on the way. This is a nice car. I haven't had one of these in a long while. I haven't had a car like this since that Crown Victoria I sold almost about a year ago, probably. I don't know if y'all remember that one, but if you're new to the channel, look back to my old videos, and I had a 91 Crown Victoria with under 10,000 miles on it. And oh my goodness, that car was beautiful. But this car is nice. It's got 46,000 on it. You can drive it and you don't have to worry about it. That other car was like just such a time capsule that you didn't want to drive it. But this one, she cruises nicely. She cruises real nice. I'm really surprised. One thing I did notice was the temperature gauge isn't functioning. So I'll have to take a look at that. Probably an easy fix, honestly. But you know, it doesn't have any weird odors or smells. Everything seems to work that I've tested so far. You know, it doesn't smell like mothballs or, you know, mice. I think whatever these little bags are probably kept all the little rodents out of this car, because it's a nice car. Beautiful upholstery. Anyways, heading back to the shop. Maybe we'll give it a quick wash to wash this barn dust off. You can see the spot on the hood where I wiped. I love it. All right, she made it all the way back. Give you a slightly better walk around. I'm gonna bring it inside, get it washed up. Like I said, it just got, you know, a mound of dust on it. So, pretty car. Dusty, not rusty. The top's in really nice shape. All the stitching, you know, dusty, but not all faded. All the trim around here is in really nice shape. Obviously a perfect example, that's cool, of kind of a base car that the dealership probably just stuck the top on and the Continental kit on and said, hey, you know, let's dress this thing up, charge an extra $3 grand for it and get it off the lot. Papa Bear approves. I like these little Lincoln insignias. Like stickers or something. But we'll get it inside, get her washed up, and we'll see what it looks like after that. Get some tires ordered, and yeah, get her serviced up. This is the most satisfying part of this job, is taking a car like this that's all dusty, just pulled out of a barn, giving it its first wash down to see how nice this car really looks underneath all this stuff. Come to Papa, Gamma Key. Oh, baby, baby. Papa Bear even likes the Grandma Key. Look at that thing, huh? Wow, that's a pretty car. going? I told him to back it out. He's taking it for a spin. Oh, God. What a beautiful cow. Look at how nice that chrome is. She's a little bouncy. Wow. Look at how nice. Just a quick wash. Beautiful chrome. Papa Bear's in love. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Nice car, huh?
Clean, cushiony, soft.
And it smells like old ladies or whatever this stuff is. Potpourri.
Yeah. Fragrance.
Oh, it smells fancy. There you have it. Question. $100, $1 million, $10,000 question. Do I lose the kit or do I keep the kit? I really don't like it with the Continental kit. I think it takes away from the car. Tell me what you think in the comments. ENG Classics. Pull the little chain. Continental kit. Probably never had a license plate on there. Or do I leave it? Thanks everybody for watching. Another sneak peek video here at Specialty Motor Cars. Papa's going for a joyride. He said, let me... He's gone. Like he's leaving. I don't know where he's going. Oh, bye, Papa Bear.